The Txtin's U-shaped sectional couch feels like a quiet correction to the idea that big, comfortable furniture must be expensive or complicated. At 111 inches wide with a clean U-shaped layout, this sofa doesn't try to shout for attention. It simply shows up, fills the room in the right way, and gets to work doing what a couch is supposed to do: hold people comfortably every day. Delivery comes in 2 boxes, sometimes on different days, which can test patience for anyone unfamiliar with modular furniture. Still, the packaging is manageable, even for tighter spaces like basements, apartments, or homes with narrow entryways. The cushions arrive vacuum-packed, which always looks a little alarming at first. Give them time. After about 48 hours, they expand into their full shape, and the sofa starts to look like what was promised. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward. The instructions are clear, the parts are logical, and nothing feels over-engineered. Many setups are completed quickly, even by people with no furniture building experience. Once assembled, the sofa feels solid. The internal solid wood frame gives it real structure, not the hollow feel that plagues many budget sectionals. It holds up well to families, pets, and daily use, without wobbling or loosening. Comfort is where this sectional quietly wins people over. The seat cushions strike a careful balance, soft enough to relax into, supportive enough to sit for long conversations or movie nights without discomfort. The double chaise design adds flexibility, letting multiple people stretch out at once. This isn't a couch that forces everyone to sit upright and behave. It invites lounging, naps, and the kind of casual sprawl that makes a living room feel lived in. The chenille fabric plays a big role here. It's soft, tactile, and surprisingly durable. It feels warm and inviting rather than slick or stiff. The texture adds depth to the room, especially in lighter colors, without looking fragile. Better still, the covers are removable and machine-washable, a detail that matters far more in real life than it does on a product page. Homes with kids, pets, or frequent guests will appreciate that kind of practicality. Visually, the design stays modern without becoming cold. Clean lines keep it current, while the U-shape naturally creates a cozy, social layout. It works well in apartments, family rooms, and even shared spaces like college housing. Despite its size, it doesn't overwhelm the room, which is no small achievement for a sectional built to seat 4 to 5 adults comfortably. Long-term impressions remain strong. After months of use, the cushions maintain their shape, the frame stays stable, and the fabric shows little wear. Some owners choose to add extra padding to the back cushions, not out of necessity, but preference. That option alone says something about the design. It's adaptable rather than restrictive. What really stands out is how often expectations are exceeded. Skepticism is common at this price point, especially for a large sectional. That doubt tends to disappear quickly once the sofa is assembled and used. It feels more expensive than it is. It looks intentional, not temporary. It becomes the place where people gather without thinking about it. The Txtin's U-shaped sectional doesn't pretend to be luxury furniture. It does something better. It delivers comfort, size, and durability where they actually matter, without drama or inflated cost. For anyone looking to anchor a living space with something cozy, practical, and genuinely enjoyable to sit on, this sofa earns its place without trying too hard.